from all over the country. Gina Nazareno, 230,000 pesos in cash. Si Apolonio Kitlong with 140,000 pesos in cash. Nora Ruales with 320,000 pesos. Si Irene Paule, 320,000 pesos. Teresita Gunhuran, 365,000 pesos. At si Lolita Lentejas with 545,000 pesos in cold cash. Pumutok sa Apo at nang yumaman na kayo!
The Grand ABS-CBN Sarimanok Sweepstakes is brought to you by RCPI for international and domestic communications. Safeguard your family's superior skin germ protection for healthy skin. Cafe Puro, sarap ng giniling na kape in an instant. Clusivol multivitamins and minerals for a little more quality time. And Lucky Me, Instant Mommy and Pancit Canton, lusog sarap nutrition noodles.